Okay, this is gonna be super simple. I bought a simple kitchen scale. It costs less than $15 on Amazon. The brand is Ozeri, but you can really buy any brand. You take it out of the box, you take it out of the plastic, and here's the scale. It needs 2 batteries, usually. It usually comes with the batteries. Here they are. Pop them in. That's all you have to do is put the batteries right in. Make sure you do it the right way. Sorry. Put the lid back on, even though it'll turn on without that. Let's see. It's on. Right now it says ounces. Then if I push unit, it's going to say milliliters. If I push unit again, it's going to say grams. That's what we want, grams. Now I'm going to take a bowl. I'm going to put this bowl right on the scale, and the scale reads about 1,000 grams. I'm going to push the tare button, and now it reads 0. I'm going to put in 185 grams of superfine white rice flour. That's going to be my first ingredient. All I do is put it into the bowl until the scale reads 185. Almost. Almost. Just a little bit more. Oh, I don't have a whole lot left in this bag. There we go. 185. Then I'm going to push tare to 0 at the scale. Now the scale reads 0 grams. Now I need 62 grams of potato starch. Here's potato starch. Spoon it in until the number on the scale reads 62. It's as simple as that. That's all there is to it. 54, just a little bit more. You want to go little by little. 62, done. If you're off by a couple of grams, it's really not a big deal. Push the tare button again, scale reads 0. Now I need 34 grams of tapioca starch. It's almost there. That's it, 34 grams exactly. I'm going to take my whisk the ingredients together, and now I have 2 cups of basic gum-free, gluten-free flour blend for use in all sorts of recipes. All you need is a few ingredients. This is a scale right out of the box, and it's as simple as that. Trust me, if you can push a button, you can use a scale, and it's that simple to make gluten-free flour blends, I promise, and to get accurate results every time you bake. Thanks for watching.